couple force system or moment caused by the couple is nothing but one of the force multiplied by the distance between the two forces which are equal in magnitude but acting in opposite direction. Okay, now the distance between these two forces is, suppose that d, or you can take it as capital H, and the forces are having the equal magnitude is equal to 10 Newton. And H is equal to, let's suppose that 5 meter. And in your multiple choice exam, suppose that you have been asked to calculate the moment caused by the couple force system and such diagram is given, then you can solve it simply that moment caused by the couple is equal to force multiplied by the distance. Force multiplied by the distance. Distance between two forces. But you have to consider only one force because two forces are acting simultaneously here. So that's why you have to consider only one force multiplied by the distance, which is equal to capital H. Again, force, which is 10 Newton, multiplied by capital H, which is the distance, which is equal to 5 meter, equal to 10 into 5, that is 50. The unit will be Newton meter. Newton meter. So this is nothing but the moment caused by the couple force system. Okay. So I hope that you have understood what is the couple and how to calculate the moment caused by that couple. Now there are some characteristics for this couple. Okay. Or you can say the some silent aspects of this couple force system or concept behind the couple. Concept behind the couple. Couple means couple force system because it is the system of two forces, so that's why it is a system. Okay, so the first concept behind this or first characteristic behind this is couple consists of pair of equal and opposite forces. Pair of equal and opposite forces. Pair of equal and opposite forces. Second characteristic is the algebraic sum of vertical and horizontal component of the forces forming a couple is 0. Okay, so algebraic sum of vertical and horizontal component of forces forming a couple is 0. Now why this is written? Algebraic sum of the vertical and horizontal component, because your couple does not causing the certain movement, it is causing the rotational movement. So therefore the body is stable, only it is rotating about its certain point. Okay, it tends to rotate about its center, right? Because of the two equal and opposite forces So the two forces are balancing each other. Two forces are not imbalanced. They are balancing each other, and that's why they are rotating in equal manner. Both forces are having the same magnitude at the same distance from the center, right? Same distance from the center. So therefore, the algebraic sum of vertical and horizontal component of forces forming a couple is 0. Now you can see here live example from this diagram, right? Algebraic sum of vertical forces. Here the two forces 10 Newton and 10 Newton are vertical forces. So this F is in upward direction, so this will have the positive sign. This F is going in downward direction, so this will have the negative sign. So plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 0, right? Plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. We can have one more couple here. We can have one more couple force system here. Okay, this one is one force and this one is another force. Okay. Two forces, we can have one more couple here. Now suppose that this is a force T is equal to 20 Newton, and here also this force T is equal to 20 Newton. Now these two forces caused the couple because they are acting at the equal distance from this center. This is also at this distance and this is also at this distance. So both are having same magnitude acting in opposite direction, right? So they will also form the couple, right? And their separate moment will form. Their separate moment will form if the distance is mentioned here. Now, if this distance is mentioned, if the distance is mentioned here, then you can use this distance, right? If this distance D is equal to 2 meter, then you can get this. If this diameter is equal to 2 meter, then you can get 20 multiplied by 2, that is 40 Newton meter will be the couple by this force T, right? You can have this also. Is equal to 20 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 40 Newton meter will be the moment by the force, couple force system consisting the force T. Two equal forces, T is equal to magnitude 20 Newton. Okay. Now, you can prove this second thing here also for horizontal component of forces, right? This T is along the positive x-axis, so this will have the plus 20 sign. This T having the negative along the negative x-axis, so this will have the minus 20 sign. So 20 minus 20 will be again 0. So therefore, algebraic sum of the horizontal component of forces forming a couple is 0, because you are using the sign convention here. Remember this thing, you are using certain sign convention. Okay, you are using this sign convention, and by using this sign convention you are able to get the exact positive sign or negative sign. Okay. Positive, this is positive. Okay, this one is negative, and the negative y-axis is also negative. So this sign convention we are going to use here. This sign convention is we are going to use here. So you remember this sign convention. Okay, this is the sign convention. Positive x-axis and positive y-axis, negative x-axis and negative y-axis. So according to this, the algebraic sum proves to be 0. Algebraic sum proves to be 0. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this thing. Now after that, the third characteristic is a couple cannot be balanced by a single force, but it can be balanced only by a couple. So couple can be balanced by an opposite couple only, right? Or couple cannot be formed by a single force. Cannot be formed or balanced. Both are having the same meaning. So a couple can be balanced by an opposite couple only. By an opposite couple only. Couple cannot be formed or balanced by a single force. Okay, this thing also we can prove, right? So here I will try to prove this thing in front of you. Okay, now suppose that this F and this F are forming the couple. Now this couple is in which direction? This couple is in, what you can say, this couple is in anti-clockwise direction. This couple is in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and this 20 Newton couple, this 20 Newton couple is in clockwise direction. Is in clockwise direction. Okay, now the couple sign convention you can assume as either anti-clockwise positive and clockwise negative. You can assume this anything. Anti-clockwise is equal to positive and clockwise is equal to negative. Okay, so this thing you can assume. This thing you can assume. You can assume the opposite also, but this will be easy if we assume only one sign convention. Okay, so remember this one sign convention only. Okay, we are going to follow this sign convention throughout. Okay, so anti-clockwise couple is positive and clockwise couple is negative. So therefore your couple by the force 10 Newton is anti-clockwise and therefore it is positive. Therefore this thing is positive. Positive 50 Newton meter. Okay, this thing is positive. Remember this thing. This is your having the positive. While as your 40 Newton is in 40 Newton meter, the couple by the 20 Newton force is in clockwise direction. It is rotating the shaft like this in clockwise manner. So that's why we may take it as, or we can take it as negative. We can take it as negative. So remember this thing. Okay, the sign convention for the couple. Okay. Now, after this, the third characteristic is couple can be balanced by an opposite couple only. So, this proves that your Newton force couple is been balanced by the 10 Newton force couple acting in opposite direction only. So therefore, we will form an opposite couple. We will form an opposite couple like this. So now here we have formed the couple in opposite direction with the again 10 Newton force here and 10 Newton force here. Okay. So therefore, this 10 Newton force and this 10 Newton force is been balanced by this 10 Newton in opposite direction and this 10 Newton in opposite direction. Okay. I hope that you got this point. Okay. So therefore, a couple can be balanced by an opposite couple only having the equal magnitude of force acting in opposite direction. Okay. And couple cannot be formed by a single force. By using the single force, you cannot form the couple, and that's why you cannot balance the couple also. Okay. So I hope that you also got this point clear. Now, after that, fourth characteristic is a couple, effect of the couple on a body remains unchanged. Okay. Effect of couple on body remains unchanged. Effect of a couple on a body remains unchanged. So what is the meaning of this? Effect remains unchanged means what? The effect is rotating effect and this will never change. It will rotate only. Okay. Now, the next characteristic is most important characteristic, and that is the fifth characteristic, that couple at any point has same value. Couple at any point has same value on a body irrespective of its action of point. Okay, now this thing also I will explain it, that what is the meaning of this. Now suppose that this one is one shaft and this is having the one of the couple force system acting here. Okay, so the couple force system is acting here at certain distance. Let's suppose that this distance is let's suppose that this distance is 3 meters. Let's suppose that this distance is 3 meters and the magnitude of forces is 5 Newton. This is also having the same magnitude, that is 5 Newton. Okay. Now this couple is been formed here and the moment caused by this couple is, you know that formula, that moment by the couple force system, that is MC, that is the moment of couple, is equal to 5 Newton multiplied by the distance 3 meter is equal to 15 Newton meter. 15 Newton meter will be the couple, moment of couple here. Okay, moment of couple here. Now, what is the fifth characteristic? Is couple at any point remains constant. This is the meaning of this. Okay, this is the meaning of this. Now, how this can be illustrated here? That the same couple is having same effect. Characteristic number 4, you can see here that you can consider one more distance, this distance, and one more distance, that is the throughout distance. Throughout distance can also be considered here. Now this one is 3 meter, this one is 6 meter, and the last one is 9 meter. Okay, so you got here 3 distances, 3 meter, 6 meter, and 9 meter. Okay, so the effect of this couple at the 6 meter also will remain same here also, and at the 9 meter also the effect will remain same. So this is our fourth point, that the effect of this couple will remain same at the 6 meter from the one end and at the 9 meter also from the left end. So the effect will remain same at any point. This is our fourth characteristic. And what is the fifth characteristic? That a couple at any point has the same value on the body. Now the value of this couple force system is 15 Newton meter, and the same value will also be remain at the various points, right? So this is our first point. Let's suppose that this is point B, this is your point C, and this is point D. Okay, these are the points now, and this one is the point A. Okay, now the moment by the couple at the point A will also be 15 Newton meter, at the point B will also be 15 Newton meter, at the point C will also be 15 Newton meter, at point D will also be 15 Newton meter. So the value will remain constant at every point, at this point also, at this point also, at this point also, point C, and at the point D also. At the point D also, it will have the same effect and same value also. Okay, so this one is the fifth characteristic of the couple. So I hope that you got all the characteristics of the couple. Okay, So you can revise all these things, you can learn all these things, okay, because we have to solve the numericals based on this. That is the concept behind the couple force system. We have to solve the numericals based on this. Okay. Now, so we have to find the moment by the couple at the point A here. We have found out the original moment, that is the moment by the couple, that is MC is equal to 40 multiplied by 1.5. So 40 multiplied by 1.5 is equal to 60 Newton meter is the moment by the couple, which is given. Okay. And we have to find the moment of the couple at point A, at point B, at point C, and at point D also. Okay. So this thing we have to find here. These four things we have to find. Okay, so the first thing is moment of couple at the point A. Now all these four things will have the same value. Remember this thing. All these four things will have the same value, and that value will be equal to 60 Newton meter. All these things will have the same value, and that we have to prove. Okay, all these things will have the same value here. Means the characteristic number 5, that is a couple at any point has the same value, that we have to prove here. Okay, so how you can prove this here, that is the main thing. By using the clockwise and anti-clockwise thing. Remember one characteristic, that when a force passing through the same point, then its moment is zero. Okay, you have to calculate the